Another patient came in the shop today, another vintage World War II Navy receiver. Now the problem was with it, somebody recapped it, and these bigger caps down there, which are now dark because I put some material on it which keeps them down, anchored kind of thing. Medium black ABS cement, so that works great for covering a lot of stuff and problems. So I replaced the one capacitor, rearranged them, and glued them down solid and shortened the wires because they started to dangle and get caught into this unit here, which is a big block, which I'll show you. Slides along this for different bands. So it runs okay. So this thing slides along. Takes a while to get it to the next set of bands. Like so. And they got to retune everything, but that's okay. It's quite interesting, these old timers. Oh, he's having a fun day today. Anyway. There we go. So this moves along, and these capacitors down there get caught in this moving system and actually rip the wires apart. So I redid the whole thing. Needs a bit of cleaning under there to get the contacts, but that's easy stuff. You know what I mean? It's quite interesting, these things. Let's see, what do we do here? There's a loose switch up here, which I'll tighten up. Put it away, put it all together again. Tone control. Oh. Makes a bit of fine tuning with these series of radios. Oh, did I put the light on there? Oh, the light's not working. Okay. There we go. Yeah, all different switches and things for it. I'll keep in a log of what I'm doing, and repairs and reorganization and stuff like that. So. Regeneration type. Really cool stuff. So just make a log on that particular thing. Is when recapping, replacing capacitors in these, make sure they will clear this block because this whole thing's upside down now. So you put it the other way, the gravity pulled them down and got caught into this moving block. Okay, we're happening unit.